Everyone, this is Mark TV for another video, and today pag-uusapan naman natin about volume of rectangular pyramid. So simulan na natin. Okay, so let us define first what is a pyramid. A pyramid is a 3D or three-dimensional figure whose base is a polygon and all other faces are triangles. So, ito po yung itsura ng pyramid, kung saan yung base ng pyramid ay isang polygon. Tapos, lahat ng iba pang faces ng pyramid ay lahat triangles. Okay? Kung saan lahat ng triangles ay nag-meet sa isang vertex na kung tawagin ay apex. Okay? Yung apex po is yung pinakatuktok na bahagi ng pyramid. So, ito naman po yung base ng pyramid. Okay? So, this is the base of the pyramid. At ito naman po yung apex nito. Okay? Isa sa real life example ng object na kahugis ng pyramid ay isa sa pinaka-famous na lugar sa Egypt na kung tawagin ay Pyramid of Giza or Great Pyramid of Giza. Okay, so matatagpuan yan sa Egypt. So kung makikita natin, yung faces ng pyramid ay lahat triangles, tapos yung base ay isang polygon. So bukod sa rectangle or square yung base ng pyramid, so maaaring yung base ng pyramid ay may 5 sides, 6 sides, 7 sides, or some other polygons, no, na pwedeng maging base ng pyramid. Okay? Okay, so ito po yung mga parameters na mag-dictate or mag-indicate sa sukat ng pyramid. So, ito po yung base, no? Yung base ng pyramid, it's either square, rectangle, or any kind of polygon. So, maaaring triangle, maaaring pentagon, and so on. Okay, so pwede siya maging base ng pyramid. Tapos, ito naman po yung height. So, this is the height of the pyramid. Kung saan, ayan po yung distance mula sa base ng pyramid directly hanggang sa apex ng pyramid. So, this is, again, the apex, no? So, yung distance mula sa base hanggang sa apex ng pyramid ay yung tinatawag na height. Okay? Ayan po. Tapos, meron ding isa pang uri ng height na kung tawagin ay slant height, kung saan ayan yung sukat mula sa apex, no? So, sa bawat triangular face ng pyramid, no? So, ito po yung slant height, kung saan ayan po yung altitude ng triangular face, no? Mula sa apex papunta sa base ng pyramid. So, itong slant height po ay tumutukoy doon sa height ng triangular face ng pyramid. Okay? So, ayan po yung tinatawag na slant height. So, ngayon, sa discussion natin is, ang hindi-discuss po natin is yung pyramid na may rectangle na base. Okay? So, yung base po ng yung base ng pyramid ay rectangle. So, yun po ang i-discuss natin for today. Ano po? So, paano hanapin yung volume ng rectangular pyramid? So, bali, ang formula for getting the volume of the pyramid with any kind of base is usually, yung formula nun is V is equal to 1/3 times the area of the base. Ayan, 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. Okay, ayan po ito po yung height ng pyramid. So, bali, to get the volume of the pyramid is simply 1/3 times the area of the base times yung height. Okay, and since ang pinag-uusapan natin ay yung pyramid na may rectangular base, diba? So, this is length and this is width, diba? So, bali, ang area ng rectangle, if we recall, no? So, the area is equal to length times width. Diba? So that the volume of the pyramid becomes 1/3, no? So ayusin po natin yung 3. Ayan, times length times width. Okay, 1/3 times length times width. So this is the area of the rectangle. And then times yung height ng pyramid. So, bale, ang formula to get the volume of the pyramid is volume is equal to 1/3 times length times width times height ng pyramid. Yung 1/3 dito, no, yung constant factor na 1/3 is nangangahulugan na yung volume ng pyramid ay 1/3 doon sa volume ng rectangular prism. So, di ba, ang formula to get the volume of the rectangular prism is simply length times width times height. Di ba? So, imumultiply mo lang tong tatlong dimensions and then you will get the volume of the pyramid. So, yung 1/3 nito is the volume of the pyramid with the same dimensions. Okay, so this is the formula for getting the volume of the pyramid. So volume is equal to 1/3 times length times width times height. Okay, so let's have some examples. Okay, so let's start with this one. Number 1, find the volume of the pyramid whose length is 4 inches, whose width is 3 inches, and whose height is 10 inches. So this is the illustration of the pyramid na nasa problem. Ano po? So this is the pyramid. Tapos yung length ng base ng pyramid ay 4 inches. Tapos ito naman po yung width ng base ng pyramid, which is 3 inches. And then yung height ng pyramid ay 10 inches. So yun nga, dito sa video na ito, kapag sinabing pyramid, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito is yung pyramid na may rectangular na base. Kaya ito yung dinidiscuss natin ngayon. Okay, so ang hinahanap dito, no, guys, is yung volume ng pyramid. Kaya ang tanong dito or question dito is find the volume of the pyramid. So ibig sabihin, ang hanapin is yung volume ng pyramid. Okay? So, isulat natin yung given. So ano yung given? Length, width, at saka yung height. Okay? So, ang length ng base ng pyramid ay 4 inches. Tapos, yung width naman po is 3 inches. No? And whose height is 10 inches. So, the height of the pyramid is 10 inches. Okay? Ayan po. So, length is 4, width is 3, and height is 10. Ngayon, ang kukunin naman natin is yung volume mismo ng pyramid. Kaya naman, gagamit tayo ng formula to get the volume of the pyramid. So, ito po yung solution. Ano po? Ayan. So, volume is equal to 1/3 times length times width times height. Okay? Ayan po. And then, saka natin i-plug in yung mga values ng L, W, at H dito sa formula. So, isulat natin na 1/3 times. Yung L po natin ay 4 times. Yung W po natin ay 3 times. Yung H naman po ay 10. Okay? So, 1/3 times 4 times 3 and then times 10. Okay? Now, saka natin i-multiply itong 4, no? So, unahin muna natin yung whole numbers, ano po? Yung 4 times 3 times 10. Kasi lahat naman sila multiplication, it's up to you kung alin ang unahin mo. Doesn't matter, ano po? Ganun din, magiging parehas ang kalalabasan. No? So, 4 times 3 muna, and then times 10. So, 4 times 3 is 12. And then 12 times 10 is 120. So, dito pa lang, 120 na yung product. Okay? So, 1/3 times 120. Okay? Ayan po. And then, ita-times natin sa 1/3 or it's the same thing as 120 divided by 3. So, multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. So, para mas madali, i-divide na lang natin instead yung 120 sa 3. So, 120 divided by 3 equals 4P. And then, isulat natin yung appropriate na unit. So, ano bang unit na binigay sa problem? Diba? Inches. And since volume ang pinag-uusapan, so lalagyan natin ng exponent na 3, no? To indicate the unit of volume. Yung mga cubic, yung centimeters, tapos may exponent na 3, so centimeter cube, mga ganyan. So, ang tawag dito ay cubic inches. Okay? Ayan po. So the volume of the pyramid, which is yan yung required sa problem, is 40 cubic inches. So this is cubic inches. Okay, so lalagyan nyo na ng katagang cubic kapag naka-raise yung unit sa 3. Okay, so cubic inches. Okay, so the answer is 40 cubic inches. Okay, next, number 2. A tent that is pyramid shaped, diba? May tent na hugis pyramid. Okay, with a rectangular base. The dimensions of the base are 6 meters by 4 meters. If the height of the tent is 3 meters, what is the volume of the tent? Okay, so let's solve for the volume since ang hinahanap dito sa problem ay yung volume of the tent. Okay, so kukunin natin yung given facts doon sa problem. So of course, kailangan dito is yung length, width, at saka yung height ng pyramid. Okay, ayan po. So given muna tayo, so isulat muna natin yung length, tapos width, tapos height, like this one. Okay, so yung length dito is yung length ng base, di ba? So the dimensions of the base, di ba? Pag sinabing dimensions of the base, pag nakalagay dimensions of the base, automatic nakalagay yung length at saka yung width. Okay, and when we see 6 meter by 4 meter, we know that it is triangle. So yung unang number na binanggit or unang sukat na binanggit ay yung length, automatic the length. Tapos the second number or measure is the width of the rectangle. So the dimensions of the base, kapag sinabing ganon, no, the dimensions of the base are 6 meter by 4 meter. We know that this measure is the length and this measure is the width. So the length is 6 meters and the width is 4 meters. Okay? Ayan po. Now, ang hinahanap naman natin is yung height. Okay? So, okay na tayo sa length and width. Tapos, if the height of the tent is 3 meters, so makikita natin yung height ng tent ay 3 meters. Ayan. Height, 3 meters. Ayan. What is the volume of the tent? So, kailangan natin i-calculate yung volume ng pyramid doon sa problem. Okay? So, let's have a solution here. Ayan. Tapos, bali, ang ang formula nun to get the volume of pyramid, no? So, V is equal to 1/3 times the length, width, at saka yung height. So, 1/3 times length times width times height. Okay? So, substitute na natin yung values or i-plug in. So, 6, 4, at saka 3 dito sa formula. Okay, so 1/3 times L. Ang L po natin ay 6 times yung W po natin ay 4 habang yung H naman po ay 3. So 1/3 times 6 times 4 times 3. Okay, ayan po. So first, i-multiply muna natin itong tatlo. No? So 6 times 4 times 3. So 6 times 4 is 24 and 24 times 3 is 72. So ito pa lang ay 72 na. So 1/3 times 72. And 72 multiply natin sa 1/3 or para mas madali, i-divide na lang natin instead sa 3. So 72 divided by 3, that is equal to 24. And then isulat natin yung appropriate na unit. So, meter, and then i-erase mo sa 3. So, take note, the number 3 here is the exponent, which indicates that, you know, this is the unit of a 3-dimensional figure. Kaya mayroong 3 na exponent. Okay? So, this is cubic meters. Bali, ang sagot po dito sa problem ay 24 cubic meters. So, this is the answer. Okay, so let's move on to the last one. Number 3, a monument that is shaped like a pyramid has length 15 meters, width 10 meters, and height 5 meters. Determine the volume of the monument. So, yung monument, i-assume natin sa problem na to na yung monument, yung, di ba, shaped like a pyramid. So, ibig sabihin, yung monument ay pyramid shape. Tapos, yung base ng pyramid ay rectangular. So, i-assume natin na ganun yung itsura ng pyramid. Ano po? Okay, so alamin natin kung ano yung kukunin sa problem or ano yung hinahanap. Ano po? So, determine the volume of the monument. So, ang hinahanap naman natin ngayon is yung volume ng monument. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap natin is yung volume ng pyramid kasi yung hugis ng monument ay pyramid. Okay? Ayan po. Now, isulat natin yung given. No? Isulat natin yung given. Length is, ang length ng pyramid ay 15 meters. Tapos, ang width naman po natin ay 10 meters. So, ang width ay 10 meters. Tapos, yung height naman po ay 5 meters. So, ang height or age is 5 meters. Okay? Ayan po. And then, saka natin i-substitute doon sa formula and then you're good to go. Ano po? So, kukunin naman natin yung volume ng pyramid. So, kaya naman, lagyan natin ng solution. Okay? So, volume is equal to, remember po, 1/3 times length times width times height. Okay? So, 1/3 times yung L, W at H dito ay i-plug in dito. Ano po? Sa formula. So, ang L po natin ay 15. Tapos, ang W naman ay 10. Tapos, ang H naman po ay 5. So, that we have 1/3 times 15 times 10 times 5. Okay? So, i-multiply natin itong 5 ay 3. So, 15 times 10 times 5. So, 15 times 10 is 150. And 150 times 5 is 750. Okay? So, 1/3 times 750. And then, i-multiply natin sa 1/3. That is, mas madali na lang kung i-divide na lang natin yung 750 sa 3. So, 750 divided by 3 is 250. And then, isulat yung appropriate unit. Ano po? So, M, then 3. So, bali, ang sagot dito sa problem ay 250 cubic meters. And, yun po ang sagot. Okay, so, alam niyo na siguro kung paano kumuha ng volume of the pyramid. So, you just read and understand the problem para masolve natin ang mga yun. Okay? So, basahin natin ng paulit-ulit, hindi ilang isang beses para ma-identify natin yung given and then syempre malaman natin kung ano ang kailangan kunin. Okay? Para masagot or masolve natin yung problem. Okay? So, that's all for today about the volume of the rectangular pyramid and I hope na makatulong ito sa pag-aaral ninyo. Okay, so that's all for today and I hope you have learned something. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and follow me also on my TikTok account. Stay safe, God bless, and as always, have a great day to all.